done work for the past, it's only been 2.5 hours, but I've spent the last 2 hours kind of decompressing a little bit. I've been cleaning my room. It's been a little bit of a work in progress, but we're finally getting somewhere. So I'm just gonna quickly vacuum. But I've been watching my girl Carter. I literally have just been getting back into watching YouTube videos again. It's her Sunday reset routine, and this Sunday reset makes me want to get my life together. So far I've mostly cleaned my room. The only things that really need to be gone through are my drawers, like my makeup drawers, my clothes drawers, and my closet. After those are done, which is not a task for today, I am so sorry, but after those are done, I want to clean my bathroom and organize it because I have so much stuff in there. I also did realize, because I kind of put this away, and so it's kind of like out of sight, out of mind. Alright, I like to keep this stuff on. I'm gonna put it back, but I got this bullet journal to kind of go over my monthly goals. I did not do these. Well, we will do some July goals, even though it's the 11th. But I mean, why not? You know, why not set some goals? Maybe go for a walk. I'll only go on a walk when I finish vacuuming. And then I'm going to treat myself with a... There's stickers? And there's a mini. Oh my goodness. There's a whole mini book in here. What in the actual... Okay, well, I clearly did not go through this when I bought it. But I was inspired by Carter, so I got a legit bullet journal and everything for my goals. And... let's, oh sorry, I'm just trying to close this. Oh my gosh. Okay, closed. So let's vacuum, put on some Carter, vacuum, finish cleaning up my room, and then I'll show you the finished result.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on Zoom. I yawn at the display. Third meeting of the day. But I can hear raindrops tap dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth. Cause I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I can stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain. Ay.
Hey Google, good night.
What time should I set the alarm for?
5:45.
Tomorrow at 5:45 a.m. Set. On the 12th in Calgary, it will be sunny with a high of 29 and a low of 13.
Oh my god.
There is currently a heat warning in effect. First up tomorrow, you have work and switching Pixel 6 Pro to do not disturb mode. Good night, Adwoa.
Okay, so it is, why is it slanted? Okay, so it's really warm, like too warm. So I'm just gonna add some ice to this water bottle.
But my frame just cracked. Think I'm going down. Had to light this up.
Just, you know, to keep me cool. And I have a special treat for myself too. I was just gonna have an ice cream bar, or what do you call those things? A drumstick with ice cream. But I froze these Kinder Bueno mini bars. And I think I'm just gonna have 2 of them before I like brush my teeth and everything. Oh my God. And as you heard, there is a heat warning. So it's gonna be like 30 degrees Celsius, so like 100 Fahrenheit tomorrow. Don't get me wrong. I love the summer. I love the heat. But you know, sometimes when you're trying to sleep and it's too warm, it's just not fun. I love the hot weather. I love summer. But trying to sleep in this weather is just not fun. But I'm gonna do my best. So my 2 Bueno bars, and I'm gonna read. I have a Kindle, so I'm gonna read my book so I can turn the lights off and just kind of try to make the best of the night. Okay, so you know how like usually the Bueno bars, when you bite into it, there's like a creamy filling, but this is what it looks like. It's frozen.
To it all, different heights, but it's the same old fall.
I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. If you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Leave some comments down below letting me know your thoughts, because your girl is back on the YouTube grind. So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because yeah, like I said, your girl's back. But other than that, have a good rest of your day, wherever you are, and I hope to see you in the next one.